Bake.
Bake the cake slowly until golden brown and evenly risen throughout. Roast. Roast the vegetables with herbs until caramelized and richly flavorful.
Grill.
Grill the steaks on high heat for charred, smoky, juicy perfection.
Fry.
Fry the potatoes until crisp golden and crunchy on the outside.
Boil.
Boil pasta in salted water until al dente, then drain thoroughly.
Steam.
Steam the dumplings gently to preserve moisture and delicate flavor. Simmer. Simmer the sauce slowly to develop deep, rich, and harmonious flavors. Sear. Sear the meat quickly on all sides for a flavorful caramelized crust.
Sauté.
Sauté the onions in butter until soft, translucent, and slightly golden. Stir. Stir the mixture constantly to prevent lumps sticking or uneven cooking. Mix. Mix the dry ingredients thoroughly for even distribution and smooth consistency.
Knead.
Knead the dough until smooth, elastic, and ready for rising stage.
Chop.
Chop the vegetables uniformly for even cooking and a pleasing appearance.
Dice.
Dice the tomatoes into small cubes for salsa or fresh bruschetta topping.
Slice.
Slice the bread evenly to ensure uniform toasting and balanced presentation. Mince. Mince the garlic finely to release maximum flavor into your dish.
Peel.
Peel the apples before baking for a smooth texture in pie.
Boil.
Boil the eggs for exactly 10 minutes to achieve perfect yolks. Whisk. Whisk the eggs vigorously to incorporate air and create fluffy volume.
Whip.
Whip the cream until stiff peaks form for topping your dessert.
Pour.
Pour the batter gently into the pan to avoid spilling or splashing. Sprinkle. Sprinkle sea salt lightly over the dish for extra flavor and crunch. Season. Season generously with spices to enhance the depth of overall flavor. Marinate. Marinate the chicken overnight to deepen taste and tenderize the meat. Glaze. Glaze the ham with honey for a glossy, sweet, savory finish. Caramelize. Caramelize the onions slowly for rich, sweet, deeply concentrated flavor.
Toast.
Toast the nuts to bring out their natural oils and aromas.
Blend.
Blend the smoothie ingredients until smooth, thick, and creamy throughout. Puree. Puree the soup until silky smooth with no lumps or chunks.
Mash.
Mash the potatoes with butter and cream for a velvety rich texture. Scoop. Scoop the dough onto trays for even cookies with uniform size. Scoop out. Scoop out the seeds gently without damaging the surrounding flesh. Stuff. Stuff the peppers tightly, with filling leaving no air pockets inside.
Fill.
Fill the cupcakes with cream for a delicious, unexpected surprise center.
Coat.
Coat the chicken evenly with breadcrumbs before baking or frying.
Dip.
Dip the fries in ketchup or aioli for extra deliciousness. Drizzle. Drizzle the sauce artistically over the plate for a gourmet presentation.
Garnish.
Garnish the soup with herbs to add color, flavor, and aroma.
Serve.
Serve the dish hot and fresh for the best possible flavor.
Braise.
Braise the meat slowly in liquid for tenderness and rich depth.
Poach.
Poach the eggs gently to preserve shape and soft yolk texture.
Smoke.
Smoke the ribs over hickory wood for deep, complex, savory notes.
Cure.
Cure the fish in salt and sugar for a preserved, flavorful result. Ferment. Ferment the cabbage to make probiotic-rich, tangy homemade kimchi.
Broil.
Broil the cheese topping until bubbly golden and slightly crisp.
Brown.
Brown the butter for a nutty aroma and enhanced rich flavor.
Toss.
Toss the salad gently to evenly distribute the dressing and ingredients. Reduce. Reduce the sauce over low heat to intensify flavor and thickness. Infuse. Infuse the oil with garlic and herbs for aromatic depth and complexity.